What's up, guys? It's February 6th, 2024. Pretty bad day in the markets. All range bound price action. Super tight range, too. I got caught out pretty bad today, but yeah, it is what it is. These days gonna come around a lot, so. But yeah, bar one, we have a gap up. Bar one is continuation, but it's a range bar. I'm going to go over the first 6 bars, then I'm going to talk about the market cycle, the legs, and where we are in the overall time frame. So yeah, we have a gap up, bar 1, continuation, but it's a range bar. We are buying against these sell candles here, and bulls get 2 legs into yesterday's high. That's this green line right here. Failed breakout above yesterday's high. Yeah, there we go. And bears get about 3 legs down. We can see 1, pull back, 2, pull, oh, okay, hold on. 1, pull back, 2, pull back, 3, and then this comes down here, bounces 4, bounces 5, so that's like our micro wedge on support. The higher time frame EMA, it's the 45-minute EMA, this green line. Pull back, bar 10, 2-bar reversal, bar 11, 10 and 11 is a 2-bar reversal, however, bad follow through, ends up becoming a double bottom, a failed breakout, double bottom with bar 12. Bar 13 and 14 push into the EMA. The market's looking like a double bottom right now. It's kind of looking like this. So this looks a little bit bullish to me. However, the EMA acted as resistance from bars 14 to 20. There's all resistance here. We see lots of wicks, lots of price action. We're kind of within this range right here. Bar 22, 23 is the market trying to break out of the EMA. Bulls trying to get closes above the EMA, but they fail. And then bears get their few legs down. It was really tight price action, so it's hard to count. If we were counting legs by different bars, so there's multiple ways to count legs. You could do trend line breaks for counting legs, or opposite bars. That's a break. That's a break. So we can go like leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. Or you can go leg 1, pull back leg 2, and then it kind of dribbles down and fails. So this also gives a double bottom here, kind of a double top. This is like a lower high double top. Here's some resistance. So when we have a double top, double bottom, it's better to wait for a 2-bar follow through before buying the breakout. That didn't actually happen all day today, so there we go. Bar 30, so where are we here? The market dribbles down, lots of sideways price action, lots of overlap, failed breakouts from both sides, failed breakout here, failed breakout here, failed breakout here. The market goes range bound again into a tighter range where it's a limit order market. Today was limit order scalping. All limit order traders probably made a lot of money. Breakout here of this extended bull flag. You have this pull, and then 1, 2, counting the opposite bar. So it's like, so we can go up here, opposite bar, 1, pull back 2, opposite bar, pull back 3, 4, breakout for a couple legs, and then it fails at the highs here. So this is starting to become like pretty good resistance, kind of like the open of the day around the bar 1 low. We can maybe say leg 1, pull back leg 2, fails, and then a sell vacuum down to test of support. 1, 2, 3. Bulls get a higher low here. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back, breakout. Leg 1, leg 2, sell vacuum, a buy vacuum test of bar 2's high. I thought this would get tested here, and I got trapped. And then yeah, a couple bars selling to the EMA. It was a range day. When the higher time frame EMA and the lower time frame EMA stack, we can expect range bound price action. Where are we in the market cycle? Well, the market cycle it starts at a trend, then it channels, and then it ranges. So looks like we had a range today, so maybe we range tomorrow. We have a lot of news coming out, so check the news. I check Forex Factory. Yeah, so maybe we're ranging, and then someday the news gives us a breakout, and the market cycle will reset. The market cycle ends in a range and starts within a breakout. The market cycle is important because that depends how we count legs. If we're in a fresh breakout, it's better. Leg 1 and leg 2s will work better. Like if it's a channel phase, fading the end of the, it's a wedge top here, maybe that leg 3 and 4 fades good, and then we're ranging. It's just buy low, sell high. So yeah, we're ranging today. Really hard to count legs because the market's range bound. We kind of counted some legs here. Here's a pullback that was met. This was met, and just because I'm counting these legs, these aren't trades I'm taking. These are all after the fact. I'm trying to train my eyes to see them at least, because here was the two-legged pullback. I caught this long because I expected, like for instance, here's the leg 1, leg 2. It was failed, and I wanted to buy this, but I was like, maybe the bulls get a two-legged pullback, and they did here, and I ended up buying 64, which was a better buy. So that is to train our eyes and to understand how to count legs within certain environments. Not too much leg counting to do today though, because it's range bound. Maybe here's a leg 1 breakout pullback. Look, that was met. See, that's a good trade. This gets put in, pullback, the gap stays open, buy 70, 75, 76, and go for a measured move. When it's range bound price action, Brooks recommends we break the day up into thirds. So it would be like this. So you guys can see that a little bit better. So let me turn this middle one off. Looks a little hectic. I'm going to delete this. Okie dokie. So when it's range bound, we can we put these. This is a 30 and 70%. Sell it high, buy the low, do nothing in the middle. You can see how most price action is in the middle today. So if you followed this buy low, scalp out in the middle, you would make money. You stay away from sells because it never comes up here till the end of the day. So that would also work for trading today. Our time frames, pretty tight consolidation day. 45-minute, we're consolidating right above it. We're starting to look like a bull flag. Here's the flag. Definitely breakout mode. Being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See what happens here. And we can see how I drew that on the daily. It's a flag. Just because, we're also in a range. We're still within last week's range. We're in the middle. We're in the upper half of last week's range. This is last week's range here, 50%. So we're trading in the upper half of last week's range, and we're in the middle, kind of flagging. Maybe we get a pop, a failed breakout. Maybe we get continuation. Yesterday I was talking about this trend line that I drew, and I just wanted to leave it. I cleaned it up a little bit to make sure it's touching more points. So you guys can see on the 45-minute chart, 1, 2, kind of touching, but 3, 4, and then 5. So I'm just gonna see what happens. This is the first time I'm playing a higher time frame trend line, and that doesn't mean I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna wait for the price actions to confirm and then buy and see what happens. Thank you for watching. I drop these videos every day at 3 p.m. I hope you guys are learning. Use your stop loss. Tell me what you guys want to see. If you guys are trading leg 1, leg 2s, tell me how you did today, because I lost a lot. I lost like 300-400, but it is what it is. I'm trading micros, but I scaled in way too heavy right here, and it snapped on me. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.